Hey guys, Danny here at Partay. Listen, I'm going to make this real quick, but this is funny to me. So, two things today. One is that I'm going to play the recording here of Kenneth Bird talking about the PX747 and talking about it having native 4K ability again. And I'm going to show you where it does not again. So that you can see that he's still lying about this because he has been notified. He has been, presented with the information in the past. He just refuses to be honest about it. And then the second thing, if you watched his earlier video today, he was talking about GM Go, who had reached out to him to create a screen for their new projector. So we're going to talk about a little bit of that too. But let's get into his recording.
Even right now, the PX747, if you sign it, which has been out for a while with 3,500 lumens, you can get them from time to time for like $900. They're native 4K.
Now, this was just today, guys, that he made this statement. And keep in mind, he owned the PX747 for about a year, I think, whenever he was at his house 2 houses ago. But take a look at this information. You'll see here that the PX747 delivers breathtaking home cinema experience, right, in true UHD 4K. Those of us who have been around projectors know that true 4K is the designation for pixel shifting. Otherwise, it would state native. To further prove this out, when you look in the specs, it actually states that they do this through XPR technology. Right? So what is XPR technology? So a quick search shows that XPR technology is Texas Instruments pixel shifting technology that helps projectors to achieve true 4K resolution with 8.3 million distinct pixels. It's their version of eShift. So the PX747 was an eShift, not a native 4K projector, which only goes to show that as many times as this has been brought up to him, that he continues the lie. It's not a matter of being stupid. We know he's dim-witted, but this is a lie, and he keeps trying to push that out there. And if you ask him about it, he's just going to get angry and block you. So let's talk about JM Go projectors. Now, he came on, put a whole video up about how he wasn't going to sell out. JM Go had reached out to him to have him create a screen to work with their projector that's now on Kickstarter. Okay? That is not what occurred. What occurred, and you can see from here, you can see from the email that supposedly came from JM Go, actually came from an individual named Sudha Devendra. Just an individual who was asking Ken if his paint mix, his slop paint out there, would be compatible with this projector. And he provided a link to the Kickstarter site so that Ken could go out and see the projector. So what does Ken do? Ken turns it, and I'll show you. Hold on, here's the link. Now, I enhanced the brightness of this because when he zoomed in, he kept it real dark so that you couldn't read it real well. But here you can see this is a customer asking, a potential customer, asking if his stuff would work with the JM Go N1, and he provided a link to the Kickstarter thing, which is about 3/4 of the way down the email. JM Go never reached out to Ken to ask him to create a screen for them, but that's what he twisted this email into. He twisted it into a lie just to try to make it look like his company was desired. They really wanted his company to make a screen. Nobody wants your company. No company out there wants you to make a screen for them. No one. But I can tell you that I've been in contact with JM Go. They have reached out to me, and I'll give you more information about that as we move forward. But just to show, this guy's a liar. Everything is a narrative that he twists to it so perverted, it looks nothing like the original context. And this guy thinks he's going to be able to stay in business. Just never going to happen. You guys have a great weekend. We'll talk to you next week. Bye.